All right, guys, this is Nick Biever doing my warehouse design project for Professor Yancey's logistics management course. For my warehouse, I chose to design a transportation hub. This kind of facility, they ship a wide range of products, and also oftentimes they're shipping a very high quantity of products. So I kind of designed this facility to be able to accommodate those demands. Anyway, starting out, we'll follow the flow of a package through our facility. So starting out, we have our receiving bays. Our receiving bays are all on the south end of the facility. We have receiving bays 1 through 6, 7 through 12. They're in 6. You see them. They're in bunches of 6. Anyway, 30 receiving bays. They all feed up to this sort belt. Sort belt has employees on it that sort the packages to our picking lines. The picking lines are actually those triangles. They have belts that go out to the picking lines, but for our purposes, these belts might as well just be the picking lines as well, because they're the same belt. Anyway, on the picking lines, you have employees that read the labels as well. They're essentially sorters for their respective outbound destinations, except instead of sorting the packages to outbound areas, they're sorting them into actual trailers. So similar to our unload or receiving area, our outbound areas are bunched into groups of 6 doors. Each picking line covers 2 groups of our outbound. Nice. Getting into the rest of the warehouse, we obviously have a parking lot outside our main entrance. Walking in, right at the entrance, you have your offices for your warehouse management system and yard control. You have management offices, equipment maintenance. So obviously in a facility like this, you have a lot of trucks. You got forklifts, powered industrial trucks, trailers. Those all got parts and stuff that can be damaged, need replaced. When that happens, they go here to equipment maintenance. Let's see, offices and staging for plant engineering. So in addition to, trailers and other equipment that are moving in the hub, you have other pieces of equipment inside the hub that are generally, more permanent, more stuck in place, like belts and such. When those break, you have to have people that not only know how to fix those problems, but are equipped to fix those problems. If you have something go wrong with your facility and it can't be fixed in a timely manner, that can cost you massive amounts of money, which is why this area is given the space to be well equipped. And then the only additional area in our hub, security. It's important to have security at any kind of business. You can lose a lot of money if you have someone stealing stuff. 4 overhead doors. These are so that trucks driving around in our yard, which surrounds the 3 sides of the building at least, it's to make sure that trucks driving in the yard are able to get across if they need to without driving across the entire facility. Saves time. Time is money. In terms of safety features, our facility has 15 emergency exits. They're all labeled. In addition, each of these emergency exits would be equipped with a fire extinguisher. You also have fire extinguishers on the sort belt and on all the picking lines. Let's see. Oh, our belt layouts. So our powered extendos for our receiving, they would be approximately 4 feet in width, moving up to our sort belt. Our sort belt and our lines that move to our picking lines, those would be approximately 5 feet in length, simply because they have more volume of packages. There are only 4 of them. Additionally, you can kind of see which way all these belts are moving. These belts, while the numbers are all labeled, while the doors are all labeled, you'll notice they're not all linear, and that's because the packages, or we can use less material for our belts, designing the flow of packages this way. It's kind of, you have 2 belts going up front on each side, and then you have 2 belts going this way. So yeah, that's it's about the totality of my project. I'm not an engineer. I've never been an engineer, so this was definitely the most challenging project yet. But yeah, I think I understand the essential concepts, so that's the important thing. Already got that certification, am I right?